Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by quickly assessing the edge. Look for fraying, lifted fibers, or gaps 1 to 2 millimeters wide. Once done, clean with alcohol to remove oils so adhesives bond. Then use an edge beveler or a fine file to square and remove loose bits. Make sure to clamp the piece or weigh it down to keep edges aligned. Proceed immediately to light sanding with 400-600 grit to create a consistent surface for glue. This small prep prevents peeling later. Now you glue and rebuild. Apply a thin, even coat of leather glue along the prepared edge and press firmly for 30 to 60 seconds so fibers bond. Once tacky, add a second thin layer to fill low spots. You build in thin coats rather than one thick blob. After each coat dries, sand lightly with 400-600 grit and remove dust with a tack cloth. Then use edge paint or a rubberized edge compound to sculpt the final shape, making sure transitions are smooth and consistent. Finish by applying 2 to 3 thin coats of edge paint, allowing 10 to 15 minutes of drying between coats so each layer bonds and smooths. Once set, buff the edge with cotton or a soft brush and seal with beeswax or an edge sealer for durability and a polished look. If you see lifting or peeling later, stop. Resand the failed area, clean with alcohol, reapply glue, clamp firmly, and allow extended curing time. This fixes adhesion issues caused by contamination or insufficient clamping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.